gitna ng dilim, ako'y nag-iisa. Pipit ang bigat ng mundo, walang makakalinga. Tahimik ang luha, sigaw ng damdamin. Di ko alam kung saan ako patutunguin. Ngunit dumating ka, tila liwanag sa ulap. Tahimik mong pakikinig, gumaan ang bigat. Dear Counselor, salamat sa iyong gabay. Sa bawat salita, unti-unting gumagaan ng buhay. Ang kwento ko'y naging kwentong tagumpay. Dahil sa'yo,
why do I always feel like I'm not enough? Self-worth issue, imposter syndrome, inner critic. Hello again from Dear Counselor. Today's heart letter comes from someone who seem to have it all but deep inside always feel like they're never enough. Okay, this is the letter. Dear Counselor, people think I'm confident and accomplished, but I feel like a fraud. I overthink everything, and every mistake feels like proof that I'm not good enough. Ano ba to talaga? Ano ba yung parang feeling na hindi ka enough sa lahat ng bagay? Ang tawag dito ay imposter syndrome. It's real, even high achievers feel it. Imposter syndrome is a psychological pattern where individuals doubt their accomplishments and have a persistent, often intense fear of being exposed as a fraud despite evidence of their competence. It's not a clinical diagnosis, but it can significantly impact one's well-being and productivity. Those experiencing imposter syndrome often attribute their successes to external factors like luck or timing, rather than their own skills and abilities. Your inner critic is loud, but it's not always honest.
Platinum Pro, ang bisa ng 600mg caplet at yerba buena, moringa, lagundi at vitamin C na mga go food for morning flexibility and whole day mobility. Kaya walang aray sa palaging pagkilos. Platinum Pro. Platinum Pro.
Shampoos, Viva, Copa, Monnieri, Centella at may DHA pa. May Bilberry, Marigold at marami pang iba. Siksik sa natural na vitamina. Memorize na yan. Para sa ating lahat na mag-aaral. Memorize, lagi mo lang tatandaan. Memorize lang yan.
How to overcome it? Overcoming imposter syndrome? Meron ba? Of course, meron yan. Recognize and challenge negative thoughts. Identifying and questioning negative thoughts patterns can help reframe them. Siyempre, you have to seek support. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist can provide validation and coping strategies. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrating small wins and focusing on continuous improvement rather than striving for unattainable perfection. You have to reframe it. Failures as learning opportunities, viewing mistakes as chances to learn and grow rather than as evidence of incompetence. Seek professional help. Therapy can provide valuable tools and techniques for managing imposter syndrome. Sabi sa Romans 8:1, there is no condemnation for those in Christ. You are not mistakes. Learn to receive praise, don't deflect it. Confidence isn't perfection. It's permission to grow, fail, and still be worthy. You don't have to prove your worth. You were already enough, long before the world started measuring you.
Mga katagumpay sa buhay, hindi lang sapat na may pangarap at layunin tayo. Kailangan may malinaw din tayong takdang oras para matupad ang mga ito. Sa aklat na What's in Your Hand ni Coach Lan Fernandez, paalala niya, establish a timeline for each goal. Remember, every area is essential, so prioritize them accordingly. Kapag may takdang oras, mas magiging malinaw ang direksyon at may maiiwasan tayong pagkaantala. At tandaan, lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ay mahalaga. Pamilya, trabaho, kalusugan at pananampalataya. Hindi pwedeng puro isa lang. Kailangan balanse. Kaya't bilang counselor sa inyong puso, isipan, paalala ko, ayusin ang prioridad, magtakda ng oras at maglakad ng may malinaw na hakbang dahil doon mo makakamit ang tunay na tagumpay.
Curious ka ba sa mga ibinahagi ko? Don't miss the book What's in Your Hand by Miss Lan Fernandez. Isang practical at empowering na guide para ma-discover at magamit mo ang gifts mo sa life purpose mo. Kung gusto mo magkaroon ng copy, madali lang. E-message ang Tagumpay It's All Good sa Facebook page para maka-order. Invest in your purpose. This book might just be the push you've been waiting for.
Madalas mo bang maramdaman na kahit anong gawin mo, parang kulang pa rin? Na kahit may mga na-achieve ka, may tinig sa loob mo na nagsasabing hindi ka sapat. Sa Dear Counselor, pinag-uusapan natin ang genuine self-worth. Ang halaga na hindi lang nakabase sa trabaho, itsura o opinyon ng iba. Tunay na self-worth ay nanggagaling sa pagkilala na ikaw ay mahalaga, may layunin, at may halaga sa harap ng Diyos, kahit walang titulo o palakpak. Ito ay proseso, matutong pakinggan ang katotohanan kaysa kasinungalingang dala ng insecurity. Magpasalamat sa maliliit na tagumpay at kilalanin na ang halaga mo ay likas, hindi hinihiram. Yan ang ay dapat, kaalamang nagbibigay linaw, paggabay na may malasakit at mensaheng nagbabalik sa tunay mong halaga.
Hanggang susunod na kwentuhan po natin dito sa Dear Counselor, kung saan ang inyong buhay ay laging may purpose.
Sa gitna ng dilim, ako'y nag-iisa. Pipit ang bigat ng mundo, walang makakalinga. Tahimik ang luha, sigaw ng damdamin. Di ko alam kung saan ako patutungo rin. Ngunit dumating ka, tila liwanag sa ulap. Tahimik mong pakikinig, gumaan ang bigat. Dear Counselor, salamat sa
Hi everyone,
iyong
ako po si Doc Engineer Arnold Divina.
At ako naman po si Aida Gonzalez and we are your hosts here on Tagumpay It's All Good.
Dito sa channel ito, we bring you real stories, inspiring journeys, and good vibes na siguradong magpapalakas ng inyong umaga.
Kaya naman, don't miss out. Follow and like us on Facebook.
And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just search Tagumpay It's All Good.
At syempre, share nyo na rin sa inyong pamilya, barkada at kapitbahay.
Let's spread good news, good vibes, and God's goodness. Dahil sa Tagumpay, it's all good!